Hello folks and welcome. Here you can see one really old car battery. In fact, this is the car battery that came with my car, which is manufactured 2008, meaning that this battery is at least 12 years old or more. This battery was stored at my balcony for the last year, so now I'm planning to measure its voltage and see if it's still able to be recharged. So first let's remove these caps. Now let's measure its current voltage. As you can see, this is genuine GM car battery. Well, not so bad. 11.09 volts. I will be using this very simple battery charger to recharge the battery. Let's unbox it. As you can see, quite simple battery charger, on off, and this analog gauge. So let's power it on. Now when you're recharging your battery, pay attention to the negative and the positive terminal. This one is the negative, and this one here is the positive. Hope you can see. Now let's power this on, and you can see now it's showing that it's completely empty. This is the icon for empty battery. This is here is a full battery. Now let's measure up again with what exact voltage are we charging the battery. .45 and rising. So that's for now, guys. I'll have to wait a couple of hours and see what the gauge will be showing. One more thing, here you can see that this battery is equipped with eyeglass indicator. Green meaning the battery is okay, white meaning it needs to be recharged, and black meaning that it's completely dead. From what I can see, this battery is completely dead, but let's wait a couple of hours and see. So folks, after 2 hours, the analog gauge of my battery charger is still showing empty battery. This is either meaning that this battery is completely dead, or it needs more time to regain back its capacity. Let me measure again the voltage. As you can see, the voltage raised, but it's dropping, so most likely this battery is dead. I will leave the charger running for another 2 hours and see if there's any substantial difference. So bye for now, guys.